Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGSE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance easier to see, especially in this case where basically nothing was going on all morning long. I mean, from a volume perspective, volume was essentially nothing. The price made us slightly move up, but nothing to brag about. And then all of a sudden, I would assume news or something occurred in the afternoon, and you can see the volume came pouring in during the last 90 minutes of the day, and the price action followed suit and got very crazy from that point. So a lot of updates here need to be done. Like I said, did this yesterday, so this green line actually was relevant at one point, but I'm just going to use this now to map out some of the newest areas of support. And the ideal level of support going forward, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest would be if the price can stay up above $1.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $1.25, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to somehow stay above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from a big picture point of view now at this point in time, that is where the purple line there comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a big picture point of view, and a very simple but highly effective way, to just gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health going forward. Again, yes, preferably speaking, stay up above $1.25. However, from a big picture point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, key level right now, I think right up there around $1.50. I realize the price did get up above it, but there's a little bit more data right around that area. So $1.50, public enemy number one. But in my opinion, it's not really all about breaking levels of resistance right now. I think the top priority is more so going through a healthy consolidation because this was a big move. So even if the price comes down and bounces around $1.25, $1.20 and goes sideways there, I would still consider that a pretty successful day after such a big movement that occurred, late day today. So interesting setup going into tomorrow. Let's see how the chart continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.